The three new criminal laws, the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita 2023, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sahitya 2023, and the Bharatiya Sarshya Adhinayam 2023 come into force today. Both the Houses of Parliament today took up discussion on motion of thanks on President Draupadi Murmu's address to the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. India has initiated an anti-dumping probe pertaining to glass fiber imports from China, Thailand and Bahrain following a complaint from a domestic player. The National Testing Agency or the NTA today declared the revised results of 1,563 candidates after the NEET UG retest. The Opposition India bloc has staged a protest outside the parliament today alleging the misuse of government agencies, that is the ED and the CBI.